Well, hello, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you may be. I just want to give you a real quick testimony about being on a keto diet. It has been the most fantastic thing that I have ever done in my life. I gained all kinds of weight with my fourth child, and that was like 35 plus years ago. And I have never been able to lose any of that weight since. Actually, yes, there have been a few extra pounds come up in there as I got older. And I was given a challenge to try this new weight loss product. It was a 7-day challenge. My mentor asked me to do it. And I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it, right? So I did it. And I'll tell you what, I lost 9 pounds in 1 week. So I just asked him, I said, where do I sign up? I want more. And it has been the most fabulous ride so far. I'm taking also pure ginger and turmeric capsules that are pure ginger, pure turmeric. And I have, what do you call it? Osteoarthritis and degenerative disc disease, which is from the osteoarthritis. And the swelling from my arthritis is going down. I'm not in as much pain as I used to be. I have more energy. I feel so much healthier and whole that I'll tell you what, these products are absolutely a godsend, and I love them. I mean, for me to finally lose weight, I'll tell you that in itself is a darn miracle. So if you're looking to lose weight, you've not been able to, you're banging your head against the wall or your hips against the wall trying to get that weight off, contact me. I know what can help. I know what you need to do to get rid of it. You've got to be able to burn the fat, not your carbohydrates. So anyway, guys, yeah, I love it. It's fantastic, and I'm sticking with it. So God bless, and hopefully I'll hear from you soon. And just look me up. I'll help you out. Bye for now.